Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistant's new carry-on rules for 2026. Don't get caught at TSA. Hey travelers, if you're flying in 2026, listen up. TSA and airlines are cracking down hard on carry-ons. No more "it'll fit" excuses. These new rules could save you from gate checking fees, confiscations, or even fines up to $15,000. I've broken it down into 10 must-know points. Pack smart, fly stress-free. 1. Strict size enforcement. 22 by 14 by 9 inches max. Airlines like Delta, United, and American are finally enforcing the universal carry-on limit. No bigger than 22 inches high, 14 inches wide, and 9 inches deep, wheels and handles included. Total dimensions under 45 inches. Oversized bags? Expect gate agents to measure and charge $100 plus to check it. Pro tip: test your bag at home with a tape measure. Budget carriers like Spirit are ruthless. 2. Personal items count. 2. Under seat only. Your backpack or purse must fit under the seat in front of you, typically 18 by 14 by 8 inches. No more stuffing a giant tote. In 2026, airlines will flag non-compliant items during boarding, forcing you to pay or ditch. Solution: opt for slim, soft-sided bags like a collapsible tote. This keeps your essentials, laptop, snacks, accessible without drama. 3. Real ID mandatory, no exceptions. Starting May 2026, delayed from 2025, your driver's license or ID must be Real ID compliant for domestic flights. No passport as a backup at checkpoints. Non-compliant? You'll be turned away. Check dhs.gov for your state status and renew early. International travelers: use passports, but verify enhancements for faster scans. 4. Liquids rule stays. 311 or bust. The classic 311 rule isn't changing. 3.4 ounces max per container. All in 1 quart-sized bag, 1 bag per passenger. Meds and baby formula get exceptions, but creamy foods like peanut butter count as liquids. With new CT scanners rolling out, expect quicker but stricter checks. Pack oversized lotions in checked bags to avoid abandonment. 5. Lithium batteries. Carry-on only. Strict watt-hours. Power banks and device batteries must go in carry-ons. No checked bags. Limit: 100 watt-hours per battery. Most phone chargers are fine. E-bikes or drones often exceed. Smart luggage? Remove batteries or risk confiscation. Enforcement ramps up in 2026 due to fire risks. Label spares and keep them visible for screening. 6. New CT scanners. No laptop. 311 removal. Over 100 airports get advanced CT scanners by 2026, creating 3D bag images for better threat detection. Good news: no pulling out laptops, liquids, or belts in standard lines. But if your bag's cluttered, it could trigger manual searches. Prep by layering items loosely. Think sauce, pack like a pro. Layers. 7. Firearms ban in carry-ons. $15,000 fines. Zero tolerance. Guns, ammo, and tasers are checked bag only, locked and declared. Accidental carry-on slips? Law enforcement gets called, plus civil penalties up to $14,945 and 5-year TSA PreCheck ban. Even concealed carry permits don't apply. Double-check pockets and bags. Peace of mind. Use the TSA apps. What can I bring? Tool. 8. Food and prohibited items. Spillables in checked. Solid snacks like sandwiches are cool, but anything spreadable, hummus, yogurt, falls under liquids. Sharp knives, tools over 7 inches, and flammables, aerosol sprays over 18 ounces, are no goss in carry-ons. 2026 twist. Enhanced scanners spot hidden edibles, better opt for dry goods or face toss-outs. International flights? Check destination rules too. 9. Bag fees refunds, if delayed over 12 hours. New rules mean automatic refunds for checked bag fees if delayed 12+ hours domestic, 15:30 international. Carry-ons avoid this hassle, but if gate checked due to space, you're covered. Pro tip: enroll in airline apps for tracking. This incentivizes light packing. Why risk your souvenir suitcase? 10. TSA PreCheck expansion. Skip the lines, sign up for PreCheck, $78 for 5 years, to breeze through without shoes off or liquids out, even with CT scanners. In 2026, more lanes mean faster flow, but kids 12 and under still need full screening. Global Entry bundles it for internationals. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.